Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome to a new episode. Today we're going to discuss GInvest. A couple of days ago, I saw a post that was shared by a friend of mine on Facebook involving GCash offering Filipinos a more convenient way to start investing. Honestly, I personally didn't know that GCash is offering a product like this, but based on articles and posts that I've read, this was introduced way back in 2018. GCash partnered with ATRAM or ATR Asset Management Incorporated and Seedbox Philippines so that we can conveniently purchase their products through the GCash platform. Here we are on ATRAM's home page. So just by quickly looking at it, it looks legit. It looks clean, it's slick, and it looks modern. So yeah, it will give you an impression that this company is legitimate. So let's look at their funds. These are the most important ones. So mutual funds, if you click on it, you're gonna see like the year-to-date performance of that particular fund, and then this is year on year. So wow, okay, that is a big return. Year-to-date, yeah, the highest one that they have is 9.71%. Okay, and they also have like losing funds, so that's very normal. It's just the same way as with like picking singular or like individual stocks. So not every pick of yours will be successful. You're gonna have some losers, and of course you're gonna have some winners. Let's look at the UITF funds. Actually, UITF only. Unit Investment Trust Funds. So we have here year on year 41.34% is the highest, and they have like a loser here, negative 12.15%. Year to date, the highest that they have is 11.82%, and this one, biggest loser is just 3.18%. You can also look at like their insights, like I think these are like blog posts, blog articles, and about us. Yeah, you can read more about them here, their leadership, and all of that. And here, like the timeline, not really timeline, but like their awards and milestones. I'm just gonna link their website down in the description below so that you can read more about them, learn more about them. So yeah, go check them out. One thing I noticed on ATRAM's website is the image slider. It switches a bit too fast and you can barely read anything before it switches to the next image. Then here we are on Seedbox Philippines website. So they're currently in their beta test phase. So they're gonna update this website on the regular. And yeah, they're asking the users or like the website visitors to email them if we encounter any issues. So same as ATRAM's website, it's clean, it's modern looking, and yeah, it will also give you an impression that they're legit. So you can go here. How does Seedbox work? Okay, it's just the same work. Okay, and you can view their products. So you can choose here Seedbox package or like ATRAM products. So they're really partners. Okay, there we go. And as you can see here, it's kind of weird. They should change the font's color here as like red, since this is a negative amount, so it's kind of confusing. Well, not really, but you know, sometimes if you just like browsing quickly or like not really paying attention that much, you're gonna miss like the negative sign there, the negative amount, and you're gonna have the impression that this is, you know, this will return you or give you 9%, but in reality it's negative 9.19%. So that's not very ideal. So we have here 86.50. I think this is the one product that they're gonna offer. Yeah, they're gonna offer here. They're gonna offer this one on GInvest. So that's good. So that's just 1 year return rate. So that's very good since consumer trends feeder fund. These are like, you know, Amazon, Alibaba. So the demand for like e-commerce last year was very high because of COVID. Everyone's at home and everyone's like ordering online. So that's very understandable. So maybe it will go down a bit this year. Who knows? Uh, okay, Global Technology Feeder Fund. They're also gonna offer this one in GInvest, so that's pretty good. Yeah, these are very attractive rates, you know. But I would say if it's just, you know, a normal year, normal-ish year, we don't really know what normal is anymore. Yeah, it's gonna play around 7 to 10% on average, in my opinion. So yeah, if you want to learn more as well on Seedbox, just check them out. Check their website out. It's gonna be linked down in the description below. Also, if you're using GInvest now, unfortunately, they only offer one product, which is the ATRAM Peso Money Market Fund. Here we have ATRAM Peso Money Market Fund. This is an analysis from Bloomberg. So here we can see the return rate. There we go. 3-month return is just 0.14%. Year to date is 0.06%. 1 year return is 0.78%. So that's very accurate with regards to the number that is stated in GInvest. So 3-year return rate is 2.15. That's, you know, it went high a bit. But when we're talking about long-term, 5-year return is just 1.56%, which is kind of low. That's why I'm making this video, because they are offering new ones this Feb. And now we're gonna take a look at the Facebook post of Martha Sazon, the president and CEO of GCash, previewing the new products that will be offered on GInvest this coming February. If you observe here the asterisk, because she's saying that you're gonna earn more than your savings, as much as 7-8% return. You have an asterisk here because that is subject to change and it will fluctuate. Most probably it will go down a bit, but there's also a possibility that it will rise up. So who knows? And yeah, she's saying that with just a few taps, GInvest allows you to place in these funds or companies for as low as 50 pesos. So yeah, the barrier to entry is really low, or should I say non-existent. So you have Philippine bonds, global technology like Apple, Microsoft, Samsung, Alphabet, or Google, consumer funds, Amazon, Alibaba, Nintendo, Shopee, Activision, Blizzard, and then Philippine equity, top Philippine companies like Globe, Ayala, SM, etc. So these icons are not showing when you go to GInvest personally, or maybe it's just my device, but I tried on my phone and on my tablet, and yeah, these like image icons are not showing at all. So if you look at here, ATRAM Global Technology Feeder Fund, the past 1-year return for 2020 was 36.52%. We've already taken a look at this on ATRAM and Seedbox. So yeah, this just gives you an idea of how much money will return to you if you invest in these vehicles. So yeah, that's pretty good. This one 78.76%. Again, this is subject to change and the fluctuations of the market, the volatility. And here, this one is pretty conservative. Okay, so this is moderate actually, and the other two are aggressive. That's why the potential returns are very high. And this one, this is moderate, 8.97%. That's pretty good. Okay, that's everything that we have, and hopefully we can get our hands on these investment products sooner than later. So yeah, they promised they're gonna release this Feb, so I'm looking forward to it. Before you can avail these investment products, of course you have to verify your GCash account first, which is very easy. I'm gonna link the steps that you can follow down in the description below. You're now seeing the GCash platform. After you've finished verifying your account, just click or tap on show more, and then go to the lower portion. You can see here financial services and click on invest money. If you haven't registered here on GInvest yet, it'll require you to answer some survey questions so that they can determine your risk appetite. So I already did that, and they're gonna text you something like this. And when you're done, you're gonna receive a text message again verifying that your registration with GInvest is successful. And here is the UI of GInvest. It'll show you the total market value of your investments and the breakdown of your investments. Since I haven't put in any money yet here, it's not showing anything. And you can also access your pending orders, whether it's buy or sell, and your risk appetite is also shown here. And one good thing here is that you can set a reminder to yourself so that you can invest regularly. So that's a really nice feature for this app, for this platform. So you can just select the frequency on when you want to invest. So ideally it's going to be every end of the month. And then you can also indicate here how much money you want to invest. And let's just quickly look at the investment products that they offer. As I've said earlier, they only offer one at the moment. And here are the other products that they're gonna offer this February according to their CEO. So ATRAM Peso Money Market Fund, it's for the conservatives. So when you're just starting out investing, you're just trying it out, maybe this is gonna be an ideal vehicle for you. But in my opinion, I wouldn't really buy this because look at the return. It's just 0.77%. And like the fund description here says that it includes time deposit placements in Maybank, China Bank, BPI, MUFG Bank. Okay, so it aims to preserve capital and provide high returns compared to most bank deposits. But if it's a time deposit, it will have like a higher yield if you just do it in a normal bank. ING, I think they give 4%. It's not even time deposit. I think you just have to hit a certain amount of savings, and then you're gonna earn like up to 4% of like interest every single year. And this one, it doesn't look very good. Although the minimum initial investment is just 50 pesos, so the barrier to entry is very low. You can even say it's non-existent. So if you have 50 pesos, you can start investing. And the others, you can't really view it yet because it's a product that they're gonna launch very soon, I hope. So yeah, you can't really read anything about it, but you can just refer to the post of Martha Sazon, the CEO of Globe, so that you can review the details and like the potential earnings that you can get. If you look further into ATRAM, they actually offer the best performing mutual funds in the Philippines with respects to the year of 2020. So here they have 3 mutual funds listed here that gave the best returns last year. So we have here the dollar equity ATRAM Asia Plus Equity Fund. So the 1-year return back in 2020 was 15.85%. And then a Peso fund, ATRAM Dynamic Allocation Fund, 6.32%. And another dollar fund, it's a bond fund actually. ATRAM Total Return Dollar Bond Fund, 6.14%. So they have good investment products, but the one that they offer currently on GInvest is not very good. We're gonna end the episode here, guys. I hope that you learned something new from this video. If you haven't already, now's a good time to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all on Friday. Always remember, be Peso smart.